Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing off a few of the things that I got for Christmas in the beauty realm, one of which being the Violet Voss Bright Vibes Neon Pressed Pigment Palette from my wonderful sister-in-law Jackie, and my brother too, but I know this was all Jackie. And also the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. You know, that one that I did 3 looks, 1 palette when I duped it with the stuff I already own. Yes, I got this for Christmas. So I'm really anxious to try this to see how it compares to the shadows that I actually duped. And because I've got Violet Voss and all these purples, I was feeling like a violet type mood. So I decided to put some pretty violets in my eyes. And I think you should stick around and watch me do it. Before you do, don't forget to hit subscribe, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. And if you would like to see how I got this look on my eyes using what I got for Christmas, then you should just keep on watching. And I'm gonna grab my BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and I'm going to start off with this here color Pop, and then we're going to move into the color Sequins. I want a really purpley feminine look today, and I want it to be in the same sweeping direction that I always like my shadow to be. So I'm going to start kind of on the outside corner and shape it both up and down before I go in and build up the colors in the crease. Now I want that to really be blown out, so I'm just going to take a clean, fluffy blending brush, and we're just going to blow out the edges of everything. Primarily for directional purposes, this shade is not going to be the prominent shade that just stands out. It's more of the background swoosh. Alright, now I'm going to go into Sequins and darken it up just a scotch. This one I'm going to point just a little closer to the eye. It's still in that V direction. And same thing with that fluffy blending brush. Let's get the direction going. I want to come in towards the bridge of my nose with this shade Groove. Really open up that deep settedness by using all of this real estate here. And back to the fluffy. Alright, next up I'm going with my Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette, which I got for Christmas from my wonderful brother and sister-in-law, Jackie. Actually, I'm going to start with biker shorts. I'm going to start with this neon purple here. It's kind of a combination of the 2 colors I've applied already, and we're just going to go right on into the crease and build up those shades that we had. It looks like a more pigmented version of what I already have on my eyes. Alright, so for the outer corner I want to use Radical. This is that brighter neon purple and yet darker. And I'm just going to stamp this on the outer corner. And just below the lash line. Alright, next we're going to dip into my Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which I actually got for Christmas. And we're going in with Vortex. And next I want to go in with a little bit of Boombox. And to have the shimmer just under the brow bone, I'm going in with Cosmic from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to place that right here. As well as the inner corner. Alright, so for the lid, instead of cutting a crease, I'm going to grab my Stila liquid shadow in the shade Sunset Cove. It's from the Glitter and Glow collection. I'm going to put that right here. And I'm just gonna go back in with the Radical shade in that outer corner and blend all that together. And just to add a little bit more pop, I want to try out this ultraviolet in the Mercury Retrograde palette. I'm really interested since I duped this palette and did 3 looks with it. So far, I have not been more impressed than the shades that I used to dupe it with. Not quite as impressed, you know. It is what it is. I'm going to go work on my makeup and we will be back for the lower lash line. Okay, I am back for the lower lash line. I went ahead and lined my eyes with my ColourPop Piggy Bank eyeliner. Grabbing my Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette, I'm gonna go in with Radical and then Biker Shorts. So. And I'll just go in with that hot pink boombox for the inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit more of my Stila and just bring that down. Just kind of open up that inner corner. Do one more quick blend on this outer corner here. So for lashes, I'm going to throw on these House of Lashes Allura Light. They are right here. This is my 3rd time reusing them. I won't bore you with the process, so let me put on my lashes and we'll be right back. Okay, my friends, so my lashes are on and my look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this What I Got for Christmas makeup tutorial with my Violet Vibes using Violet Voss Bright Vibes. And coming up next, you will be seeing a 2019 in review Beauty Addict's Confession. So be on the lookout for that. So let me know what you got for Christmas in the comments down below. So thank you again for joining me. Don't forget to hit subscribe, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Like this video, all that good stuff. And until next time, stay curvy and stay classy. And I'll see you in a week. Bye.